Hey guys, hi, Darlene here. Welcome back to another video. Today I have partnered with Sally Hansen to show you how to use the new limited edition Sally Hansen's Insta-Dri by Crayola Glam Rock collection to create this very festive nail look. So if you want to see how I did it and which products I used, then just keep on watching. To start off, as my base coat, I'm using the Sally Hansen Complete Care 7-in-1 Nail Treatment. I love this stuff. It works really well if your nails are more on the dry side, like if they're looking a little brittle and in need of moisture. For my showstopper, I'm using the Sally Hansen's Insta-Dri by Crayola Glam Rock collection in Deep Space Sparkle. This color is absolutely beautiful. It's like a gunmetal color, but so much more shiny and reflective. The cool thing about these is that they don't need a top coat. They dry in 60 seconds. Yes, 60 seconds, and you're good to go with one coat. Like, look at the color payoff. Boom. For my Christmas tree, I'm using the Sally Hansen's Insta-Dri by Crayola Glam Rock collection in Metallic Seaweed, which is absolutely beautiful green. And I'm also using the shades Metallic Sunburst and also Bittersweet Shimmer to create little dots on my Christmas tree. These are going to be the representation of the Christmas tree's ornaments. Don't worry, they don't need to be perfect. Once it dries, just go ahead and take off that tape. And of course, don't forget to top off your Christmas tree with a little star. And this is the final nail look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I personally really love the way it turned out and the color combination and contrast. Don't forget, all the products are going to be listed in the description box below. I want to thank Sally Hansen for partnering with me on this video, and I want to wish you happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!